So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today we're going to talk about the Gematrical value and also some other systems. The Gematrical value is the oldest system which was used by the Arabs before Islamic time era. So they used to use the letters as numbers. It's also explained in here. If you go to how to use in the first place here, and you go down, it will be here shown every letter and the value of it, and also a little bit explained in here. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to get the Gematrical value in Alquran.eu. Just for example, we click Al-Fatiha, double click. You can do it by right click. You have a menu here and choose the Gematrical value like this. It will select everything. If you don't select anything, it will select everything, and it will show you the whole surah. The amount of verses are 7. The Gematrical value is 10,143. The sum of this number is 9. The count of words is 29. The P here is a prime number. It's the 10th prime number. The letter count of this surah is also a prime number. It's very unique, as you can see. It's 139, and it's the prime number 34. So if you just select anything here, like for example Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim alone, and try with Alt plus G, so you can see here it will only show you the selected phrase or the selected word or the selected letter, whatever you want. So everything you select, it will be counted here, and it will show you the Gematrical value of it, and the sum and the word number and the letters. So if you have something is divisible by 19, it will show you it's 19 is a prime number, it's the 8th prime number, and it will show it to you in a red color. As I said before, you can change this number 19 in here. You can see it 19. You can change it to 7 or whatever you want to calculate by yourself. So this is a way how to calculate the Gematrical value, but also you can write anything you want in here. For example, the word Muhammad, for example, Muhammad in here, and say try again, and it will show you the Gematrical value of Muhammad. It will be 92, yeah. Or Allah, you can choose Allah, for example, and try again. His Gematrical value is 66, as you can see. So this is one way, by as I said, with the right click, mouse right click, and choose the Gematrical value, or you can press Alt G over here, or you can go to the menu, upper menu here, and choose commands, and choose Gematrical value from here. So it's the same. This is one way. The other way is, for example, if I select the surah or any surah, or I'm doing analysis in here, if I check the analyze and I search and I want to see the Gematrical value and the analyze of my search, we do it in a simple way. We choose the Fatiha and right click on the Fatiha. You get another menu here. I'll tell him to show me the selected surah with analyze. So I'll click the analyze, and we have this menu here. In the first place, we see we have 139 because we didn't choose, we didn't search for anything. It will count it will count the letters of this surah. So this surah has 139 letters. It's only one surah. This surah has 7 verses. It has 29 words, and as I said before, it's the same here because entries and letters, we didn't choose anything to search for. Repeated here, it's 7 times 1, it will be 7. So it's only repeated because we have this surah number here, first numbers here, and we see first number is all the time 7 times is written here. So that's why it's repeated. It will show you also the gematrical value, as you can see, from the whole surah. This is one way, as you can see. I'll explain more about the gematrical value and about the other systems used. For example, we have here, I have it in a Word file. The gematrical value is, as you can see, أبجد هوز حطي كلم صافص قرشت ثخزد ضغ. So it will count 1 to 10, and after that 20 to 100, and after that 100 to 1000. Yeah. Another system is called the serial values. The serial values, it only count as we have 28 letters in the alphabet, the Arabic alphabet. So it will count it as a serial 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 28. It's very simple, and it's used from some people, maybe. Another one is invented by Mohandis. I think here I'll show it to you. He's Mohandis Adnan Rifai. You can find his videos about the great miracle in the Quran in YouTube. So it's very nice. It's also great. And he have chosen to calculate the occurrence of the letter. So in the first place is Alif is used mostly in the Quran, and after that the Al, Lam, and after that the Noon, and so on. So if you want to see this also, how to get this occurrences, I'll show it to you in Al-Quran over here. If we select all surahs, and after that I'll say to him, analyze these surahs, all surahs of the Quran. Wait a little bit, because okay, so it's showing me it's 114 surahs, 114 chapters. How many words in these chapters, and how many verses with basmala and without basmala, and so on. If I click on the surah number here, 114, I'll get to another tool. This tool will show me the most used letters in Al-Quran, because we have chosen to view all surahs in the Quran. So he sorted me, this tool sorted me all the letters and how much they are used. On first place, we can see here Alif is 56,177 times. I've sorted this tool in initial letters, which are here, and uninitial letters, The initial letters, they come in these surahs which have a star, a small star. You see it? Because these surahs begin with initials like Alif Lam Mim, Alif Lam Mim Ra, Sad, Qaf, and so on. So these are 29 surahs which have these initials, and these initials are 14 letters. That means we have 14 letters, initial letters, and 14 also uninitial letters. So in this tool I divided the initial letters and the uninitial letters, as you can see, and the occurrences of every letter of them. But now if I want to sort them, I want to see which are on first place and second and third and so on. I can click on it over here, up. If I click on it, it will sort the whole letters in here. You see, Alif, Lam, Noon, Mim, Ya, Waw, Ha, Ra, Ba, Ta, Ka, and so on. So this is, Alif is most used, and Dad is the less used. And you can see also here how many times it's used. So from this method, Adnan Rifai made this table of occurrences, which is as you can see in here, and he has great results also. It's very nice to see. Just go and visit it on YouTube. Just look for Adnan Rifai and you will see a bunch of videos from him. First, the fourth method, I did it myself actually. It's called Table of Parallels, where I divided, this is the initial letters, which I call them positive letters. Ja, Da, Waw, Zain, Ka, Lam, Mim. This is initial letters and the uninitial letters. And I gave every one of them the same value. For example, Alif is 1 and Bay is 1 also. 2 is J and Ha is the opposite side. So it's like the system of Al-Furqan, which means the one side and the other side, but they have, both of them have the same value. So I don't use it much, but I also have some results with them, because I just want to use only one system in Al-Quran, but I don't want to hide the other systems, because they are also important, for especially after the Gematrical value. The table of occurrences is very powerful. Yeah, that's it. So as you can see in Al-Quran, you can get the Gematrical value from any Arabic letter you want. In analyzes here, just shortly explained, I told you can click on the surah number and you get how many letters are in Al-Fatiha, for example, because we choose the Fatiha to analyze. Al-Fatiha has 22 alif and so on, 22 lam, 15 mim, and so on. If you click over here again, it will sort the letters from higher to lower. Some letters are not used in Al-Fatiha, for example these: Tha, Jim, Kha, Zain, Sheen, Dad, and Fa. So I hope you like it. You can try it by yourself. Please visit Alquran.eu and see by yourself. So have a good time. Bye bye.